All right, let's get started. So, welcome. And what we're going to do here is that we're going to, first of all, if you don't have a Gmail account, you cannot create a YouTube account. So, you first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to try to create a Gmail account first, and then YouTube account is going to come second. So let's get started. If you do not have a Gmail account, you come to Google. I'm already on Google. And then you click on, okay, let's do it this way. You come to Google in case you don't have or you don't know how to go, you go to your browser, google.com. And then if you are on Google website, you're going to notice that there is a place up here where you have Gmail and then you have sign in. Okay, so since you're not logged into your Gmail account, you need to sign in first. And then we're going to click on sign in. So, yeah, it brings us here to the sign in page. Now, you can only sign in if you have a Gmail account already, but if you do not have, then what you need to do is you need to open a Gmail account. So for an already Gmail account user, you can log into your details by providing your email address and then you click on next. But since you don't have a Gmail account, we're going to sign up for Gmail. So we click on create account. Okay, it has options for myself, for my child, to manage my business. So let's personalize it. So we're going to use for myself. For myself, okay. First, your first name. For the purpose of this training, we're going to do. Let's just use something like okay, Solomon. Last name. You say any name at all, so we can just say David. So now you're going to try to create a username. Okay, it has already selected something for you, suggested SD1210967 if you want to use that, or you can just type in what you want. You can say Solomon David, and then you add some letters, maybe 1976. Let's see if that's gonna go. You click on password. Oh, that's not going. So it has already selected something for you here. SD this. If you want to pick that, fine. But if you don't want to pick that, you can just try to see how you can add some numbers to this, or then just count something else. Or you just say Solo Dave. Let's try Solo Dave. We can just try this 1920. Just let's see how it goes. If it's gonna work. Solo Dave. I think Solo Dave is accepted. Okay, so we create a password. You can use anything, whatever you want to use as your password. It's better you make it alphanumeric, and if possible, you can make it above 8 characters, but the minimum requirement is 8 characters. So let's just try to create something. I can just use a password like let's say Solo Davido 1976. Okay, start it again. Solo Davido 1976. Okay, so let's see. I think the password is same. Okay, Solo Davido. Okay, let's try it. And then okay, it's asking for a phone number. So here you go to input your phone number. Whichever phone number you give to them, later there will be a form of verification. So you're going to verify if that number belongs to you. That's it. Okay, so here I can just put any phone number. Let's say in Nigeria. Okay, 08073567741. Okay, that's a phone number. And then recovery email. This recovery email, if you have another email address or email address of someone close to you, in case anything happens to this account and then you're trying to log in, maybe it's hacked or something, this recovery email is going to help you because they're going to send the link to this recovery email. So, but if you're sure of what you're doing, you don't need it. Okay, so we just pick a date, let's say October 01, that's first day of October. That's your birthday. We're looking at your birthday, 1976. Okay, so gender, you select them, female, whichever one you want to do. Okay, and then you click next. Oh, this phone number is not correct. It's not correct. Sorry. I think I made a mistake here. Okay, let's say 737925662. Okay, 80. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, so the next step, and then it's taking us to this terms and conditions. So you just click on I agree, and off we go. Now, remember our name is Solomon. The S is our initials. Okay, so it's showing our account, Solomon David 1920@gmail.com. So now we have a Gmail account. Let's move to the next step, which is creating a YouTube channel. Okay, so now we're going to type here on our address bar, we type youtube.com. Okay, so it brings us to the YouTube page. Now, before you can do anything, you need to sign in. Okay, so it has automatically signed us in as Solomon David. All right, so this means Solomon David has a YouTube account. All right, the browser had automatically inputted your details into the YouTube platform. So right now what we need to do is we want to create a YouTube channel. That was the essence of this video, though I had to take you through this process so you could know, just for the benefit of those who do not have a Gmail account. All right, now, so we want to create a YouTube channel. If you click on this icon that is supposed to display your picture, you see create a channel. All right, so that's where we're going to go. We click on create a channel. Now it's asking us to upload a picture, okay, and then the name of the channel. What do you want to use the channel for? Is it going to be for advertisement? Is it going to be for gaming? Is it going to be for entertainment? So it depends on what you want to use the channel for. Are you going to use it just to display your product? Are you into baking? Are you into sewing, fashion? Are you into makeup, or whatever you're into? So you already, I'm sure you have already made your kept your script and then thought of the name you're going to use for your channel. So for the purpose of this, let's just call this channel I think we should use it for entertainment. Okay, let's say love, sorry about that, the keyboard is giving me issues. Lovebirds. Okay, Lovebirds. Okay, so that's it. And then let's look for a picture for this channel. I'm just going to click on upload picture, then I come to my gallery, picture gallery. Okay, I have some pictures of birds. Okay, I love this. There's two parrots. Okay, so I'm going to use them. Woo. Yeah, so I'm going to select the area that it's going to crop. You can see the blue line around this area that makes it circle. So I'm going to accept it. Click on done. Now my picture appears here. That's going to be the picture of my channel. So that's what appears here now. And then I can just say, okay, this, if you want to go through the YouTube terms and services, you can learn about it there. I say create channel. All right, now it's creating a channel for us. There we are. Now, have you noticed that this icon has changed? So we're now using this channel. This channel is what we're going to be using. If we're subscribing to any other channel, this is what it's going to show. So we are now logged in as Lovebirds. our icon is here, it's also here. So what do we do now? If you want to create a video for your channel, if you want to start posting, it's very simple. You just click on upload video. I think that's going to be in my next tutorial, but for now we've been able to create a YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. In our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to upload videos to your channel and how to beautify and customize your channel. Please ensure you like and subscribe to our channel.